your mentality to develop your growth. Use your mentality to develop your life, to develop the life of your family. Because God is giving us this mentality to use it proper, to develop our ideas. I see some people sometimes, they say our government is not good, your country is not good, your country is good. Out of that country that you are coming from, there are some people that is preaching there every day, that is doing their life there every day, because they are using their mentality in their normal way. And you're supposed to do that also. Use your mentality in a normal way to develop your life, no matter continent that you are coming from, no matter country that you are coming from, no matter color that you have with your skin, no matter area that you are living, that you are growing up. Use your mentality to develop your life. God is giving us these mentalities because of the thing that you're supposed to be in the right place, in the right way. Know yourself and develop yourself. Know yourself to develop yourself, to develop your ideas. There's one blessing with you. There's one thing with you that can develop your life with, that can use to develop your life. Don't use your brain in a wrong way. Use your brain in a normal way. I see some people sometimes, I'm laughing at them that this our country is not good, this your country is not good, it's not like that. To build a mansion is not a one-day job. Anything that you know that you are good about, start doing it every day. You will achieve on it. Start your dream to be achieved, your life, to be achieve your next generation. Because to be a poverty person in this life is not a good thing. Use your idea, use your mentality, use the thing that you are learning about to develop your life. To become a somebody in this life, it's not easy like that. Be your number one to motivate yourself, to be your number one to make yourself to be a priority to develop your life. Some of the people that you see that in the world now, they have become one of the richest somebody in this life now across the world. Some of them, they are coming from poor backgrounds, but they are using their mentality to develop their life, to develop their self. And you're supposed to do that also. This content creation that I'm doing now, I'm doing it that I discover in myself that this thing that I like to motivate people because I like to motivate myself. And I discover in myself that this thing is the thing that I can do. And I will achieve on that. I use this to educate myself, to motivate myself, to motivating you people, guys. Motivate yourself to elevate your life. Motivate yourself to grow up your life. Dictate yourself. Remove yourself from the bad people and mingle with the right people. That's the thing that can help you to achieve this. Discover yourself is very, very important. Don't think that you are coming from Africa, you are coming from the poor background, or coming from any Europe or South America. You cannot achieve something. You can achieve more better. Or South America, or North America, or Atlantic continent. My people across the world, please subscribe to this channel, like this channel, do many things to this channel. I really appreciate you that you have been with me, that you have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate you. Please subscribe to this channel, like this channel, follow this channel. I really appreciate you all over the world. From Europe, Asia, South America, North American, Atlantic continent, I really appreciate you. Never give up on your focus. Continue with your dream. You will get there. You will get there, I believe. Motivate yourself, discover yourself, make yourself available for the right thing, for the good thing that can develop your career, for the good thing that can develop your life. If you have determination that you want to be a somebody in the next 5 years, start it from today. You will get there. Never give up on that. Because to be a somebody in this life is not a one-day job. Continuity, consistency, perseverance, resilience, patience is very important. Until the next video, my people, my guys all over the world, please subscribe to this channel. Let this channel grow up. This channel meant for motivation, education, telling history, showing history about anywhere that I know, showing anything, educate people, like to travel to different places, and I believe this one will come into the reality very soon. But to doing this with me, to make this channel grow up better, please subscribe, like, share, and follow this channel. Until the next video, my people, bye bye.